Thank you. So hello everyone, and we're very excited to be here again on this stage. And today I'm going to introduce here for the very first time the Zoos 3.0 checkout. And before I do that, I would like to introduce Pete from First Data, who is going to talk here soon about the very strong partnership between Zoos and First Data, also announced here on this stage for the first time today. So thank you for being here with us today, Pete. So I'm probably not going to shock you when I say that in payments, user experience is a huge deal. And since Zoos delivers a combination between a very dynamic backend and an optimized front end, we take it upon ourselves to always give our merchants the option to offer their consumers the best, the most quick and optimized user experience so they can constantly increase their revenues. Especially today when retailers and online merchants realize that their consumers expect a unified experience across different channels, computers, laptops, iPads, mobile devices, and more devices that we're probably going to see in the near future. And this is why we're introducing today the Zoos 3.0 web checkout. And this is a dynamic, web-based payment solution for online merchants who want to give their consumers an optimized experience across different channels with minimal effort on their end. So let's take a look and see how it works. Basically, we've taken all the great features that we had in our original native-based platform and tried to implement them on an HTML5 dynamic solution. So let's take a look on a Magento-based website and go to the payment page. As you can see, we have support for different payment methods, and this is something that the merchant can control. Let's just go ahead and enter a new credit card number. And the type of card will change as we go according to the number. Now you can see what a CVV is. We're using Google Maps to locate the user's location to make everything very nice and easy for the user. As you can see, we switch between the steps, so we take the payment before the shipping step because we know the shipping is a hassle for many users. This is a step where they usually drop. We want to take the commitment from the user before the shipping because afterwards he will think twice before aborting the purchase. All he has to do now is select a shipping method. And that's it. And now the nice thing about this is when this same user from the same browser will go to a different Zoos-enabled website. And again, this is a different website. The website will recognize the last card that this user has used. The card is already stored inside. All he has to do is enter the same CVV for verification. The shipping details are also stored inside. Just select the shipping method. And basically, what we've done is created this Amazon or eBay experience where you don't have to type in your credit card number, you don't have to type in your address. Everything is very seamless, very short, but this great experience is for the long tail of merchants, is not only for the marketplaces, and you never had to create a user, you never had to register, to log in. Everything is based on a technology which recognizes the user. And what makes this checkout a 3.0 is the fact that when we look at it, and if we can switch to the iPad, please. When we access this from a different device, we can take a look. Yes, thank you. We can see that the look and feel would change. So not only is this responsive design in a way that this fits the screen, you see this is all flat design according to the new iOS 7 guidelines. The menus, everything here is compatible with what users are used to pay with when they are on iOS. All the components, all the menus are made especially for iOS. So it's not just a matter of design, it's a matter of experience, because we know that when it comes to payments, experience is key. And so in the same way, when we just take a look on how it looks on Android, we've created a totally different experience. If we can just zoom in a little bit, we can see it. So now, experience is nice, and we believe that we've created the ultimate interface that would really create the best practice experience. And we've seen with our testing that we can really boost conversion rates and revenues with this. But that's not enough, because we really need a powerful backend. And we wanted to find the best processing partner that can really be a reliable partner to power this and to complete our technology capabilities with great processing capabilities. And this is why we selected First Data, and I would like to have Pete talk about this a little more.
Thanks, Noam. You know, we really saw the value in the shopping cart that Zeus, in the checkout that Zeus has, and the shopping cart abandonment. It's a really huge problem in the internet, and I really feel that the value proposition that you guys have, the technology that you have, the fact that you're PCI compliant, I think it really sets you guys apart from a lot of the startups out there. And you know, for us, it's a pleasure to offer these guys a revenue share. I mean, the payments industry is you know, First Data did $9 billion in revenues last year, and for us to give a portion of that, you know, and most of that's from partners, be it financial institutions or startups like Zeus. So for us to give a portion of that to Zeus and allow them to grow and develop their own business, and whether they bring on other partners like shopping carts or other technology partners, it makes us feel good that we are, you know, helping the economy and the technology startup businesses like Zeus grow. So it's been a good partnership, and we thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.